Using Microsoft Teams Whiteboard app as a teaching tool for an online class. The Microsoft Whiteboard app in Teams brings the usefulness of digital whiteboards to offer visual collaboration in one app within Teams. You can start by finding and installing the Whiteboard app. Navigate to the Apps section of your Teams. Search for Whiteboard. Find the Whiteboard app by Microsoft and add it to your Teams. Creating and preparing your whiteboard. Find the app in your Teams and open it. Create a new whiteboard or choose an existing one. Use the features of the Whiteboard app to present or collaborate on your materials. Features of the Whiteboard app. Use inking as a drawing tool to draw connections to content on the screen or write a little note. Use the sticky notes to share your ideas or organize your thoughts. Reactions. Emojis can be used to add a personal and nonverbal response to the many great ideas that can come up in your class. Comments. Add your thoughts and comments to important points. Text. Use text to organize and label the contributions to the whiteboard. Shapes and lines. Shapes and lines can further contextualize the thought processes of your class. Follow me. Help your class focus by enabling their screens to follow your cursor. Sharing your whiteboard. If you'd like people to access your whiteboard or your students, you can share and edit the access of those who have the link. Saving your whiteboard. Show the world all the important developments and learnings in your class that has happened. You can save your whiteboard as an image to share with the world. I hope you've enjoyed this quick guide on how to use Microsoft Teams Whiteboard app to engage your own team or students with their many important and interesting ideas.